me. I'm Maeve De Voe, and today I will be dyeing my hair pastel peach. As you can tell, this is after, because as soon as I dyed it, I put on makeup right away and we went and did a photo shoot for my new song release. I wanted to dye my hair peach because it's the color that most represents myself. And I feel like starting my career, I want to start with the look that I truly want to have. But you don't know how much I love peach hair. It is literally like my soul hair color. I've always had this conflict of, do I want ginger hair or do I want pink hair? But without further ado, let's get right into this. So I'm gonna trim my bangs because they're just kind of too long. P.S. Peach hairbrush. By the way, this is the color in this lighting. I've never taken any classes on how to do this, so don't try this. I cut wigs all the time, so I kind of know how to do this. I just kind of wing it, and it turns out low-key good. Hopefully I don't jinx that. Okay, so I get it to where I want it cut. You want me to cut your hair?
No, thanks.
Dad almost let me cut his hair for COVID. He was telling me to study up and everything. Nice. Looks good. It's not perfect, but at least in my opinion. But yeah. I love this color. It's literally the perfect color. Like literally the perfect color. Now whenever I go swimming, I can't get my hair wet. It'll just come all out. This is such a pretty color. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And I have merch linked below. It is completely new merch. I wiped out everything else. Here are some of the new merch items that I'm going to be putting out. Team Peach is the name for all of my subscribers and followers. So if you are Team Peach, get you some Team Peach merch so that way you can rep your team. My 2 singles, I'm Different and Soy Diferente, are out now on every single streaming platform and service. If you want to go check it out, please go check it out. It's also on YouTube, free to listen. If you've watched my other videos, you know I've been hyping it up, and it's finally here after 6 years. I am so happy. I am so happy. So happy. Go check out those videos. And as always, I hope you're having an amazing day, night, wherever you are in the world. And